Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect my signature account to Google Workspace. Before we get started, please make sure that you have admin access to Google Workspace, and after that you will be able to manage your employee signatures much more effectively. So what we're going to do, we're going to have 3 steps of how to set it up, and the first one is going to your Google admin account. And here on the left, you can see the menu, and we need to go under security and then API controls. Once we're here on the right, we have a button manage third-party app access. We click it here and we are ready to start. Here you can see drop down menu, add app, and then we choose the first option. For the first step here, we need to paste our client ID. Where you can find it is in our article, how to integrate my signature with Google Workspace. And that is everything you need to know how to set it up. But here in the step 1.4, you can have client ID and just copy that here and paste it right here for the setting up process. We press search. Then we need to select it from the menu below. Tick off the box right here. We press select. For this one, we need to choose Robosoft all users, and then we continue. And for the type of access, we choose trusted and click continue. We double check all the information and we are ready to press finish, and we are done with the first step. Right here, we are ready to proceed with the second one, where we need to go to Google Workspace Marketplace and find MySignature app, and we are ready to press admin install and continue. Once we are agreeing to everything, we finishing that off and we are ready to proceed further. You here can see that has been installed and where you can find your MySignature app, and we are ready to press done. That was our second step, and we are ready to proceed with the last one, where we need to go back to our mysignature.io website for the integrations, which you can find the third button on the left. Here you just go with the flow, you press connect, then we are ready to go with the next one. Here we have 2 options, that you're an admin and that you need to invite the admin. For this particular video, we're going to proceed with the option yes, I'm admin. If you need to choose another option, please check out another video for that one. Here we are ready to connect, and just in a few seconds we have successful pop-up window on the top right, and if you've followed everything correctly, it's gonna be connected from this point on, and you're ready to proceed with the next steps, like creating your templates and importing the contacts. If you run into any problems whatsoever, please feel free to contact our support team and they will be happy to help you out throughout the process. I really hope this video was useful for you, and see you later guys. Bye bye.